If you would like to have multiple items of the same object on a page, we will use the array button to step and repeat the objects. In order to do that, we start in the lower left corner, select your art, and you can either use your array button if you have it on your toolbar, or you can go to Layout, Array, and once you go to Layout Array, this smart bar up here will change, and depending on your settings, you can create different spacing here. You can say within sign blank, this is the vertical spacing, here's the horizontal spacing, and then you just simply click however many you want on the page. And just like that, you filled your page with your image.